Were you transferred from one hospital to another and the insurance denied it as not medically necessary? You don't always get automatic coverage just because the hospital ordered a transfer. In many cases, the hospital or provider must obtain prior authorization prior to the transfer. If this does not happen, insurance can deny the transfer as not medically necessary, and this includes the ambulance services provided to complete the transfer. Even if the hospital arranged everything, insurance can still deny the claim if prior authorization was not obtained. But you're not stuck. You can always appeal it, especially if the transfer was medically necessary. Always ask, was prior authorization obtained? Was the transfer medically necessary? And can I appeal this claim?